I became interested in gingham when I was looking at French Impressionist paintings. If you think about a Bonnard painting, still life particularly, you will see that these still lifes are built around a red checker pattern tablecloth. And what was important to me is not only is the tablecloth or gingham something that we can see and identify in the everyday, it's also a point of abstraction. So with these paintings, the paintings that you see here, you see that they're inflicted by 20th century flatness, right? So they're not part of a picture, but they're still identifiable as gingham, something that we know. So the number of gingham paintings within this grid is important by the fact that it speaks to that which is unoriginal, something that is found. So for instance, we think of painters going into their studios to make an original painting, an image that hasn't been seen before. And then their next painting will be something very different. So I fall in line with Andy Warhol's philosophy that, seriality and the many is interesting. And then that allows you, the viewer, to look at difference. So for instance, the green underpainting is different. It's a different green in every painting. And then the way the paint breaks on the surface, that oil paint, the way it's raked over the very loose weave of the burlap. Every painting is structurally very, very different, but also very much the same. So that comes from Warhol. And again, the vernacular quality of the things that we love. In this case, gingham, in Warhol, maybe soup cans.